first, the question reads, the boy goes to the store and sees a box of 20 shirts and decides to pull out 8 shirts. If there are 12 white shirts, what is the probability of him getting 5 white shirts? So in total, there's 20 shirts, but we're looking at the white shirts. There's 12 white shirts, and he wants 5. So this is the probability of him getting a white shirt. The next question reads, a boy sees a box of 4 shirts and decides to pull out 2 shirts. 2 of the shirts inside are black and 2 are white. What is the probability of him pulling out a white shirt first and then a black shirt? So first, we have to know that we have 2 white shirts and 2 black shirts. And we want to pull out 1 of each, so it'll be 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which would be 1 over 4. The next question reads, a boy sees a box of 10 clothing articles which consist of sweaters and jackets. There are 4 sweaters and 6 jackets. What is the probability of the first 2 pieces of clothing being a jacket, followed by a sweater? So, to help us, we'll write this. Probability of sweaters, jackets, and sweaters. So, in total, there's 10 pieces of clothing. So we'll start off with 10. And there's 4 jackets. So it'll be 4 out of 10 times 6 out of 10. Well, 6 out of 9, my bad, because he already took out a jacket. And if you want to simplify it, it'll be 2/3 times 4 over 10, or 2 over 5, which would be 4/15. The next question reads, a boy labels 10 shirts with a number. He numbers his shirts starting from 0 and ending at 9. What is the probability of him pulling out a 3 or an even number? So there's 10 shirts, and he uses the digits 0 to 9, so that's 10. There's 1 3, so actually there's 1 3, so it'd be 1 out of 10. And there's even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 5 even numbers. My bad, yeah. If you simplify it, it'd be 3 over 5. The next question reads, a boy labels 10 shirts with a number. He numbers the shirts starting from 0 and ending at 9. What is the probability of him choosing a 4 and an even number? So this is similar to the previous one. So, but this time he wants a 4. There's 1 4 out of all the 10 digits. There's 5 even numbers. But the only difference is that 4 is also an even number. So we have to subtract this 1. And we get 5 out of 10, or 1.5. The last question reads, a boy is given a list of 15 shoes that come out next year. Out of the 15, 8 are said to maybe not come out. If the boy knows 10 that are going to be included in next year's season, what is the probability of him at least knowing 2 that would? What is the probability of him knowing at all 8? And what is the probability of him knowing at least 2 that would be released? So this is a question that I suck at explaining it, and I kind of suck at. But we have to know the total, and there's 15 shoes in total, and 8 are said to maybe not come out. However, he knows that 10 are going to be included, or 10 out of the 15. So 15, see 10. And if we multiply this, it'd be or if we NCR it, my bad. 3. Now simplify to I want to leave this in a percentage to make it easier. So it'd be 0.4653 if we round it. And we carry the decimal places 2, and it's 46.54% chance. And he will know all 8 of them. It's almost half. The next question is similar, but it wants to know if at least he'll know 2 of them. So he knows 8, but he doesn't know. Well, he knows 10, but he doesn't know 5 of them. So he's missing 5, and he wants to know 2. So this is 10, and this is 6,435 divided by 6,435. And you get there's a 0.16% chance he will at least get 2 right.